Well, folks, it's time. Yeah, man. 1984 Honda CB 700 SC Nighthawk. Just finished the top end, and it's time to start doing some testing. I'm still in the midst of breaking it in, but I think she's coming along just great. So, without further ado, let's get to it, and we'll talk about it later. Like butter. Oh, what a good running bike. Oh, man. So smooth. All right, folks, there you have it. Another fine quality job by Dragon Worx. I think it's turned out great. What do you all think? It's not even fine-tuned yet. I haven't touched the carbs or anything since I first started it. So maybe a little bit of adjustment, but I'm telling you, she's hitting pretty good right now. And it's amazing it's turned out as well as it has, given all this bike has been through. This poor engine's been apart so many times in the last couple years or whatever, however long this saga's been going on. And it just gives me great pleasure to be able to turn out something this good for the customer and all he's been through with this bike. He just loves the bike. And I mean, you guys know kind of what's been going on here. You know, he's already paid somebody once and now he's going to be paying somebody again. You know, he obviously loves the bike. He's putting a lot of money in it. I take those things very seriously and take a lot of this pain and suffering upon myself to make sure that this turns out to the best of my ability. I'm not perfect. The bike's not perfect by any means, but I believe we did our best with this, and the customer is going to have years of enjoyment with this bike. As many of you know, I'm very passionate about this. I don't make a whole lot of money, but everything that leaves here is running as best as I can get it, you know, and that's the way I roll. And once again, you know, we're talking about a Nighthawk with 52,558 miles on it now. So yeah, she's had a nice long life, been ridden, and looks like we're going to get many more years out of this one. Dragon Worx has saved another one and put it back on the road, and what a gorgeous specimen she is.